In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Nike purchase history, whether you're checking on the status of an order or simply keeping track of your spending. Knowing where to find your purchase history can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can access this information easily. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Nike website. Simply type Nike into your search bar or directly enter the URL to navigate to their homepage. Once you've reached the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make it easier to locate sections as we proceed. Now, in the upper right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and give that a click. This step is crucial because accessing your purchase history requires you to be logged into your Nike account. Once you're in the Sign In area, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Type in your details carefully, ensuring that all your information is correct to avoid any login troubles. After entering your credentials, click on the Confirm button. This will securely log you into your account and you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, the next step is to locate your account profile. Usually you can find this by clicking on your account name or a profile icon, often represented as a silhouette of a person. This takes you into the hub of your personal account settings. Once you're on your profile or account page, look out for the section labeled Orders. This specific tab is your gateway to viewing your previous purchases. Click on Orders, and voila! You should now have access to a list detailing every purchase you've made with Nike from this account. Here you can see order numbers, dates of purchase, items bought, and other relevant details. This process is not only straightforward, but also ensures that you can independently track your purchase history whenever the need arises. If you ever encounter any issues, checking for forgotten passwords or internet connection problems can often solve the bulk of these glitches. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Nike website to find your purchase history. Thank you for tuning in today and following along. I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your Nike account with confidence. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy shopping!